has chapter breaks. And I don't know why those chapter breaks aren't showing up.
So it could read any book?
You know how like on a PDF it'll have like title page, forward, acknowledgements, table of contents, chapter 1 through 8.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't break those chapters up into stanza.
Oh, Micah doesn't know either. You like to vacuum, don't you, you strong man? You are such a big help to your mama.
So I love the book, but I don't know how to add a chapter mark.
Yeah.
That doesn't let you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.